So now, as you have loaded your dataset in the Python environment, we have to deal with the missing data. Let's see what is the missing data in this example. We can just use data.info to get some overview of our dataset. When I will run this, I will get this output, which says that the total entries in our dataset are these 11,251. After that, it is giving me each column and the values in this column that are non-null, meaning these values are not null. Null values are the missing values. So here all the values are not null because there are 11 to 51 values and 11 to 51 values. So we suppose that all the data is present in this column. Product ID, again, all age group, we have almost all the data except for the amounts. In amounts, there are 11,239 non-null values, and the total data points was 11,251. But here we got 231. So there is some missing data. We have to deal with that. I will just go down and dot is null. What is do it like show me the null values and non-null values in term of true and false. Here false means this is not null, and wherever there will be true, it will mean it is the null value. When you will use dot sum with it, it will give me the sum of how many values are null and not null. Basically, it will give me the not null values and their sum. In customer ID, we have zero no null value. But here we in all the columns we have zero null value. But in the amounts column, here are 12 null values. Dealing with that, we can just write data dot drop. It will drop like drop the missing values from the axis 0. Now, axis 0 means I am specifying to look at the data points in each row, not in columns, in each row. If there I specified column equal 1, it would have, if it detected any value in any missing value in any column, it should have deleted that entire column. But I don't need that. I want to delete each row that is having missing value. So this row will be deleted if it is having the missing value. So that is why I specified x is equal 0. It is by default 0. If I didn't specify that, it would have still worked. But for making it clear to you, I have used this. When you will run this, it will just like run. Again, you can use the format to check for the missing values. Dot is null dot sum, which give us the total of the null values in each column. And now in amounts, we are having zero null value. And doing dot info, you see now the data points are reduced. Previously, we were having 5, 1, but now it has deleted those data points and reduced them to 3, 9. There can be other ways as well to deal with the missing data to imply the mean or anything else. But for this case, the data was large, so deleting a few rows was like having no big impact on our analysis. After that, I have used this dot head method to view the data, and this looks like this now. It is same, but some data points are deleted now.